Good morning, students. Well, students, today let's have fun. We'll not do any reading work, any writing work, this, and that. Only we'll just have an activity, and that is map filling. And this map is in your chapter number 1 of geography. Okay, now let's see from the very upper side. In your chapter 1 of geography, latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India has been given. Now let's see the latitudinal extent first of all. This Kanyakumari it is situated, and this latitudinal extent latitude is 8.4 degree north. You see the yellow and red dots are there. Here the down here Kanyakumari is written. This is 8.4 degree north latitude. And now let's come to the uppermost part where 37.6 degree north has been written in Jammu and Kashmir, the upper tip of Jammu and Kashmir. This is 37.6 degree north. This is the latitudinal extent. And students, you will be surprised to know that the almost longitudinal and latitudinal difference of India is almost 30 degree. It's 29 point something. Longitudinal difference also, extent also, and latitudinal extent also. You may count. You may just have the subtraction from 37.6 degree and you may subtract 8.4 degree, and then you will just get the result. And in this way you will subtract this, the nose of line of Gujarat. In Gujarat, you see the longitudinal extent, and the longitude is 68.7 degree east. Why east is there? Students, you must be knowing that India lies in the northeast of world, and surprisingly India lies in the southeast of Asia. But because it lies in the east part, so we have taken east. So 68.7 degree east here, and now this is the last tip of Arunachal Pradesh, and this is 97.25 degree east. And now you may subtract from 97.25 degree east to 68.7 degree, and almost the same difference you will find as you have found the in between latitudinal extent. So this is your longitudinal and latitudinal extent. Now this one, standard meridian of India, 82 and a half or 82.5 degree east, or 82 minutes 30 second degree east, is known as the standard meridian of India. Now this meridian divides the complete country into two equal parts, east, west to east. In the same way, this is Tropic of Cancer, 23.30 degree east. Why east? North. It is north. 23.30 degree north. Tropic of Cancer. And you see this pink dots. This is. Okay. So this is the tropic center line. It divides the country into two parts, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, means north to south. And this standard standard meridian of India, it divides the country in between west and east. And this, why we have just selected this 82.5 degree east as the standard meridian? Because it divides the whole country equally into two parts, the half this side and half this side. And this meridian is very much helpful in just deciding the time. That's why we have taken it as a standard meridian of India. Okay, so now you see that Tropic of Cancer, it just goes through which states? The first one is Gujarat, then Rajasthan, some parts part is there, you see. Then Madhya Pradesh, then Chhattisgarh, then Jharkhand, then West Bengal, then Tripura, and then Mizoram. 1, 2, 3, 4, Chhattisgarh 5, Madhya Pradesh 6, Rajasthan 7, and Gujarat 8. Okay, so this. Now let's come to next. These are the union territories. First, in the north, it is Chandigarh, and it is the capital city of Haryana and Punjab. Then comes Delhi. They are in the interior, or in the just interior of the country in the north. And then comes 3. This is just a tip in Gujarat. This is Diu and Daman. Then here Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Then comes Lakshadweep. Then comes in Tamil Nadu, it is there Pondicherry, and then Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are 7 union territories of India. Now, in your chapter, you must have read one word, Park Strait. This is, it is a narrow strip of land in between water bodies, and which separate 2 water bodies. Okay, and this only this, through this Park Strait we can go to Sri Lanka. It joins Sri Lanka to India. So these are the just general, this is the general map of India and neighboring countries. The up here Afghanistan, the name is not being written here, but it is Afghanistan. Then comes Pakistan, then here China, and then down Nepal, then Bhutan. Then here where Tropic of Cancer has been written, it is Myanmar or Burma. Then here Bangladesh, and then comes Sri Lanka. And Maldives are there, but the name has not been written here because it is just down, very down to the Lakshadweep Islands. So Maldives country, which is our island neighboring country, is there. So this is the map of India. Now your today's homework is only to fill the map of India with union territories, standard meridian, Tropic of Cancer, Park Strait, and what more? The neighboring countries. So this is the homework for today only. No writing, other writing work, nothing. So enjoy your day and do this activity. Okay? Thank you.